Hi everyone, I'm Samuel, and today we are going to be reviewing the Doctor Who 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. To get it out, you have to pull up here. This is actually really tricky. Oh. Okay, got it. So then, once it's out, you just pull it like this, and it's free. Here is the actual Sonic screwdriver. The instructions for this is, well, I'm not sure where the instructions are. This is the instruction manual. Like here shows how you can use it. But overall, I really like this item they made. And I really like the spring-loaded action into this and the lights and sound. And I thought it was really cool unboxing this for you guys and showing it to you. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.